Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
I'm Mike.
And today we're working on the Shelby Cobra. We got the body inside. That means it's ready to get some fiberglass work done. We got the hood from last time. And we got more parts in. So we got the parts that we're finally waiting for from Factory 5. Would be the hood hinges, the little locks, so we can set everything up.
Oh yeah.
And we got the glass, so we can put the glass in. So a lot of fiberglassing, a lot of sanding, a lot of dust, but we can do it. So let's get to it. Ready?
There it is.
Well, it's gonna open the other way.
Is it?
It's gonna open like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna open like this.
Boom. That looks a lot cooler.
Look at that. It's missing something. A supercharger.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at all the space on top. That's gonna be enough. Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know.
We're gonna have to raise the hood like this. Drive it.
Like a bigger scoop.
Heck yeah. Alright guys, so here we have it. We got the parts came in from Factory 5. Let's check out what we got. We got 2 shocks, so we definitely need those. We got some stickers. We definitely need those. We got the keys for the latches. We'll use those later. Got some big bag of bolts. That's probably it. Lockers, I think for the doors. We'll do that later. I don't know. Well, this is for the, I think for the hood. This one's for the, they're different, so to open them up, open that up. But where are the instructions? Uh-oh. I guess we're gonna have to try to figure it out. So let's unwrap everything and check out what we got. Alright guys, so I had to get the bolts for the body. We have to put the body into place and then we can adjust the hood. So let's get these bolts in there. Alright guys, so here we have it. We're trying to make a little frame right here for this hood. So we got a little metal wire, got some foil that we can put some fiberglass, some resin. It's not gonna fall through. It's gonna make a shape for us. So I'm making the top part first, and then we'll try to make a lip. So we'll make a rough shape, and then we could always still add, subtract, but as long as we get the shape of it right now, should be good. So let's keep going. All right, so here we have it. We got the shape, and the shape of it is kind of how we need it. We grinded everything down, so it's gonna stick to it really good. I cut up some fiberglass sheets. So let's mix up some resin and put it down just like that. All right, so here we have it. After hours and hours and hours of sanding, it's coming out really nice. We got the gaps turning out really good. Look at that. So this is pretty much still rough, but it's getting there. I mean, there's still a lot of other little work to do on the body. So we're gonna actually primer this, and then we'll be able to take it off and start making it a little bit nicer, little by little. So let's take this hood off, and then we're going to tape it up and shoot some primer. Okay, so here we have it. After hours and hours and days of bonding, fiberglassing, we got the shape of it. I'm really happy with it. We put some primer on it because there's still other issues we got to fix. But we're ready to pretty much when we take off this body and work underneath it. And then, but the hood fits, so that's great. The hinges work and everything like that. The shape is really nice. The glass fits in nicely. It's good. So, but when we're ready to fix all the little cracks and all the little chips in this body, we'll fix the rest of the little scratches and make it perfect. But so far, I'm happy with it. So, great progress.
Alright guys, so Christmas came early. We got a lot of parts for our engine for the 5.0. We're gonna go rebuild it before we put it back the final time. So we got a lot of stuff here. Let's see what's going on. We got a tiny kit, complete rebuild, the bearings, I mean, the rail guides and everything like that. Might as well, there's a common problem with them, so.
They do wear out, so we actually, you know, pre-maintenance.
Since we're gonna do the timing, we got a water pump, brand new.
You never know when they go out, so.
Yeah, might as well do that. Over here we have our custom transmission mount. It's a modified to 5.0 transmission, so that's great. More goodies, look at that. Oil pump, rebuild that as well, might as well.
Well, the factory one actually wears out, and this is an upgraded one, so just in case we do have more power, we need it.
Yeah, that'd be great. Oh yeah, look at that. Clutch plate right here. Oh, it's heavy. Nice.
Yeah, we don't know how old our clutch is, so this is definitely gonna help.
Might as well do some transmission out and everything like that. A lot of parts, but unfortunately that's all we have time for today. Let's go inside, find our giveaway winner.
Okay.
Alright guys, like my brother said, a lot of progress in the Cobra. The body's looking great. We can really move forward now. We're probably gonna take the body off next time and work on that engine, the wire harness, a lot of parts, a lot of things to do. Looking forward to it. Alright, let's find our first winner. 3, 2, 1. Chris Ings. 65 Cobra, Coyote's gonna be great once again real soon. I can't wait. Us too. Honestly, I can't wait to get on the road. That's gonna be fun. Make sure the weather's right, you know, convertible, snow top, but yeah, it's gonna be scary fast, but that's great. I'm really excited about it. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because you're not gonna get any updates unless that bell's on, so you won't know what's going on. Don't miss out on any of our bills. We got like 3 projects going on at the same time. But until next time, stay tuned.